everybody, it's Carol. Can I just say thank you? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for all the comments that you wrote on the video with my mother. I meant to tell you in the last video, but I had filmed it already. I just want you to know that, wow, that was amazing. I read them to my mom. She just couldn't believe it. And I was just so heart-filled, so love-filled. I just so appreciative of all of you. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to show you a few things because life goes on. And I never told you about my life, but I've been through some really hard times when my kids were little. I was divorced. I had to divorce the father of my kids once I had my kids. And I thought things would never get better. And I know through faith and God, things get better. And I just see everything half full, never half empty. I just don't see it half empty. I don't care what happens, I see it half full. So we're gonna carry on. And I know I've got you behind me. It makes it all better. I never feel alone. So I have to show you some really good products here. This is Melted by Too Faced, and this is a lip gloss that you can put on these lipsticks that are matte and that don't come off. These lip glosses stay on all day. So you could put it on and transform your matte lipstick to a glossy one and still have the staying power that you had before you even put this on. So that is the Melted, and this is in clear, I believe. I'll put the name below. And it's great because you can see how much you have, and the wand actually goes to the bottom so you can get out everything. I love it. Look how much I have left. Now, Kathy A's Beauty, you have to check out her channel. I'll put her links below, and I'll put the video that she showed this product. She showed this product by ASM Assam Magic Finish. Well, you know, if I hear anything with magic, I'm all over it. And I heard this was magic, and I saw it when she put it on. Although she did put a foundation over it, but she didn't have to, because this is amazing. I absolutely love it. I have it on today. I have it on today with nothing over it. I would put my Perfect BB cream over it, but I don't need to. It's good enough the way it is. And this is what it looks like. It looks like chocolate souffle. Chocolate pudding souffle. Oh, and it's whipped, and it's fabulous. And I'll just put a little here. And you can see the difference. Here it is. And you can see the difference. I hope. Isn't that amazing? And you could just wear that. I put that on. I put concealer. I put blush, lipstick, no eye makeup. Because my doctor won't let me wear eye makeup until I have my stupid cataract surgery. But they say cataracts will make your eyes better, so I'm hoping. I hope there's a reason for this, you know? So, I have lots in store for you. I'm going to show you some clips of what we've been eating. First, I'm going to show you this clip that I just recorded of this new bar. It's called One, and it's got 1 sugar and 20 grams of protein, and you can get it in your store. It's in Walmart, it's in Rite Aid. I haven't tried any of the stores, but it's in these 2 stores, and they've got tons of flavors, all kinds of flavors. I happen to pick the birthday cake, and I'll roll a clip and show you. And then I'm going to show you some clips of what I've been eating. I've been going out to eat quite a bit. Even though I've lost about maybe 12 pounds so far, I just couldn't get food down. You know, I'd start eating when I was hungry, and then I'm done. So, but I'm good. Clothes fit better. So I'm going to show you a clip and then I'll be back. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you. I just got this in Walmart. I believe Rite Aid has it also, and it's called One, and it's by One, and it's a birthday cake. Now I took a bite of it already. I'm going to show you how big the bars are. They are hefty, really, really hefty. And this bar, I took one bite out of it. That's what it looks like. It's got some sprinkles, some like vanilla frosting, and birthday cake. I'll try it. Oh, this is good. So, depending how much stamina I need when I'm out, I'll carry this in a Ziploc. Oh, this is really good. Tastes like a vanilla cake. Delicious. 1 sugar and 20 proteins, which my daughter's friend Kelly, who's like another daughter to me, was interested in these protein bars, but she didn't want to order it online. So I found it in the store, Kelly. I found it in Rite Aid and Walmart. It's good to have in your purse. It's good for an emergency. And it tastes good. It tastes good. I'm so surprised. It tastes good. Wow. It really tastes good. It tastes like a vanilla Oreo. It's really good. So the sodium's low, the fat's low, everything's low, the sugar's low, but the protein is high. There's a little picture of the cake. It's really good. I wouldn't steal your world. Really good. Lots and lots of grilled onions and sweet potato fries. Wow. Good, Mom? Good? What are you saying to him, Mom?
I said, hey, get over here. He looks good.
Yeah, he looks good, huh? We're at this eatery. It's Eda Joe's in Redondo Beach. It is so cute. It's open for breakfast and lunch. It's a little dive of a place with fabulous food. It's just so cute. And you all sit on this bench together with your other neighbors. It's very cute. Next up is my favorite chicken salad hero. I make it with the can of chicken, and I put Lite Mayo and Mrs. Dash, the plain Mrs. Dash in the yellow bottle, and I made a little garlic bread, and I scoop it out with an ice cream scooper, and it's so delicious. Everybody that eats it goes nuts. Thanks for watching. Today's shout out goes to D. Williams. D, thank you, honey. Thank you for your beautiful, heartfelt comments. I appreciate it. It is the highlight of my day to read that. And I just want you to know I love you and thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I'll see you in my next video.